Unraveling the meaning of last play in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have come across in conversations, books, or movies, last play. We'll explore its meanings, how it is used in different contexts, and provide examples to help you understand and use this phrase confidently in your own English conversations. So, stay tuned and let's get started. Last play is a phrase that can be used in various contexts, and its meaning can change depending on the situation. Generally, it refers to the final action or move in a game or activity. Let's break it down further. In sports, last play refers to the final action or set of moves that happen at the end of the game. This could be a shot in basketball, a play in football, or a move in a board game. Example: the basketball game was so close, but in the last play, Johnson scored and won the game for his team. In theater or performances, in the context of theater or performances, last play could refer to the final performance of a play or show. Example: after months of successful shows, tonight is the last play of Hamilton in our city. In life or decision-making, sometimes, last play is used metaphorically to describe a final effort or attempt to achieve something. Example: I have tried everything to solve this problem. This is my last play. Now that we have understood the different contexts in which last play can be used, let's look at how to incorporate it into sentences. 1. Describing a critical moment. The entire game depends on this last play. 2. Reflecting on a past event. I can't believe we lost the game in the last play. 3. Metaphorically speaking. Applying for this job is my last play in trying to find employment in this field. When using the phrase, last play, make sure that the context is clear to avoid any confusion. 1. Avoid using in past tense when describing future events. Incorrect. This will be was my last play. Correct. This will be my last play. 2. Ensure the subject and the phrase match. Incorrect. The team are hoping for a good result in the last play. Team is a collective noun and should take a singular verb here. Correct. The team is hoping for a good result in the last play. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, last play. We hope this video has shed light on the different meanings and uses of this phrase, helping you to use it confidently in your English conversations. Remember, understanding the context is key when using phrases like last play. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.